Hello, it's so good to see you. My name is Daryl Thompson, and if you've joined us for the first time, you have joined us in the middle of a series that I have called My Favorite Worship Guitar Solos, where I am doing covers of the guitar solos that I've played over the years that I've really enjoyed. Today's solo is from the song Hosanna by Hillsong United and Hillsong Worship. There are two different solos, so what I've tried to do is creatively bring the two solos together. I did the whole thing from scratch on Logic Pro X, so I've taken just over a week to do this. This means that the drums have been done, the bass, the keys, the guitars. I've only been using Logic Pro X for about 3 months, so intense learning. I did my best to make it sound like the original, so leave a comment, let me know if I did a decent job and if there's anything I could have done better. But before we get into the solo, and I know that you're itching to hear it, our expert Bertie would like to say something. Top of the morning to you. My name is Bertie, and yes, I know you're looking for the Bertie who's not me on this channel. Well, I am his Irish cousin who comes from his hop, skip and a jump across the pond, and my name is short for Lambert. Now, I wanted to tell you about an amazing gift my wife bought for my birthday. 7 pairs of underpants. Now you might be wondering, what's so amazing about 7 pairs of underpants? Let me tell you. Well, each of these underpants has the day of the week printed on them, which is amazing because there are days where I forget which day of the week it is. Now all I need to do is check in my pants and hey, it's Wednesday. Now, I'm wondering if there's anybody out there who makes these underpants, if I can give you a tip or two. I just don't find it very helpful to assume that every person in the world changes their underpants on a daily basis. You see, I come so far north of Ireland where it's bitterly cold. If I had to remove my clothes, I'd be taking my life into my own hands. And so for that purpose, I need a pair of underpants that say something like Monday through Friday. Anyway, enough about me. Whatever Daryl has for you next, I hope you enjoy it, and maybe I'll see you again soon. Cheerio. Well, that is the second song done, annihilated. I am now moving on to the third song, which is called Highest by Hillsong. It's almost 20 years old. If you've been around for a while, you would know the song. It's a great one. I've got a lot of work ahead of me. So if you haven't subscribed already, do so that you are notified when this solo comes your way. Otherwise, thank you for watching. See ya.